So let us take this problem and try to find the Thevenin's equivalent between 1 and 2 terminals. Between 1 and 2 terminals. So this can be A and B also, no issue. That means load is already removed. Try to observe that at these terminals no load is connected. Now what we need to do is that this entire blue color highlighted inside the circuit need to be replaced with one voltage source in series with one resistor. That is our task. So what we do? So take as case 1. So in which we try to determine the Thevenin's voltage VTH. Just get back to this VTH definition. It is the open circuit voltage at required load terminals. But load is already open here for us. So we no need to worry that opening the load. Then try to observe which terminals are of our interest. So what are the terminals which are of our interest? Is 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are the terminals which are of our interest. And just let me remove this portion. So just that will try to disturb us. So just let me remove this entire blue color line. Right. Now this is what the circuit. So now try to observe that from terminal 1 to 2, I need the voltage. That is what V suffix 1 2. So as because load is already open, this becomes the open circuit. So this voltage is what the Thevenin's voltage VTH. Now how can I find this VTH? That is what the voltage between terminal 1 and 2 is simple thing. You start at 1 and through some elements you reach towards the terminal 2. You can reach towards the terminal 2 in many ways. It's your wish how you reach. So as I can move through these 4 volts and 1 ohm and 2 volts and back to 2. Or I can also travel in this journey through this path directly 3 amperes. So many things are there. So it's your wish. So how you travel. So I will be traveling through this pink color one. Now just for the sake of writing this equation, I will try to put some voltage over here. Some voltage, something like plus minus V1. Some voltage V1. Later I will find how much is that V1. Now for which just see that from 1 to 2 voltage is equal to VTH is equal to, can you write up all the voltages which you come across in this journey? One is 4 positive plus V1 minus 2. Is this clear? From 1 to 2, how many terms are there? Is 3 terms, like 3 stops. So 4 volts plus V1 minus 2. These are the 3 voltages which I am coming across in my journey. Now in this everything is known, but this V1 is not known. So 2 plus V1 is what the VTH. Now think of how can I get V1 by using any method. Just ultimately what I need as of now is how much is the V1. Once I know V1, I will get the VTH. Now try to work out in finding the V1. So let me take this circuit again. So then think of how can I get the V1 by known methods, any method. So just let me remove this portion. This portion also not required for me as of now. Now as of now I am focusing on V1. These are only wires extended in this way. Then how can I get V1? Think of. Can I go with the mesh analysis? As like this, see here. So just let me make this little bigger. This circuit little bigger. Now see, so how can I go with the mesh analysis? So see here, so you can have these things. So these 2 branches are already having current sources. So okay. So let me assume this is one path. one loop or mesh 1, this is what mesh 2, this is what mesh 3. In these three meshes you try to assume some clockwise currents I1 and second mesh I2 and third mesh I3. So because of having current sources, I already got some advantage that what is I1? I1 is equal to minus 3 amperes. Why? Because I1, my assumption is clockwise, but actual current is in anti-clockwise. Next is, so see that I1 minus I2 is equal to 1 ampere from this second current source. Second current source current direction is in the direction of I1. So from the mesh 1 direction, from the mesh 1 perspective, I can write I1 minus I2. That is what the 1 ampere. Now already we know I1. So can I say this as I1 minus 1 is equal to I2, where I2 will become like minus 3 minus 1, which is equal to minus 4. Now what is left out is simple thing, KVL for mesh 3. KVL for mesh 3. Let us quickly write the KVL. I am starting over here. 2 into I3 minus I1. But I1 value is already known. So minus 3. So I am taking minus plus. Plus 1 into I3 minus I2. I2 value also known already. So minus plus 4. Next, here nothing is there. Again here V1 is there. So, but V1 I can write as 1 into I3 minus 2 is equal to 0. Now quickly find how much is I3. This is 2 and 1 3 and 1 4 I3. Next is how many constants are there? Let me write as it is first. 2 3 6 and here 4 is there. Here minus 2 is there. How much is I3? I3, this is 2 and 8 by 4, that is 2 amperes, but negative, right? Minus 2 amperes. Once I3 is known, can you tell me how much is V1? V1 is, this is what the I3 current, V1 is equal to I3 into 1. So minus 2 into 1 is what? Minus 2 volts. So once we get V1, now it is easy to get back and just say that we have VTH is equal to simply how much? 2 plus V1. 2 plus V1. How much we will get? 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Means sometimes voltage also we may get 0, no issue. So let us take this as 0. Now just quickly let me show the RTH determination equivalent circuit. So for which I hope I already have that circuit. Yeah. So this is the circuit, or let me take the original circuit again to determine the RTH. This is what the original circuit. What we need to do to get the RTH? We have to replace all sources by 0 values. How we make that 0? If there are any voltage sources, replace those by short circuit. These are replaced by short circuit. What about current sources? Open circuit. I am removing these terminals also. These terminals are of no use. Now it is easy. See that how much is the resistance between 1 and 2 terminals. That is what the RTH. Can you tell me directly RTH value? 2 and 1 is in series. That is 3 in parallel with 1. 3 in parallel with 1. How much is the resistance? 3 by 4. 3 in parallel with 1. 3 into 1 by 3 plus 1. So once we get this, now we can say finally, so our entire circuit is so VTH plus minus in series with RTH. That is, this is terminal 1, this is terminal 2, where VTH is 0. Sometimes we may get in this way also, but no issue. Whatever you will get, you try to put over here. This is what the Thevenin's equivalent circuit.